So now let's see how we can use the duotone effect inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the guided mode because that is what we are focusing upon right now. And then under Fun Edits, you can see duotone effect is an option. If I were to go around and click right here, then I get the related options as you can see right here. So now you can go around and first choose around a size right here. So let's say you want this for an Instagram post, then you can go around right here, select out, let's say for example, an aspect ratio of your choice right here, or just keep it as original. So I'm just going to go around and let's say I'm going to make it perfectly square right here. And now you can choose a duotone effect as you can see, like normal. So you can go around and select out different effects over here, or you can go for gradient over here as well. So these are the type of effects that you have. So, but first of all, you need to press the check mark button over here for crop. And then you can go around and select out a duotone effect as you want right here. And you can increase and decrease out the color intensities of the different colors that you have right here. And work around with the opacity over here as well, just like this. So you can go around, really increase out the duotone effect or decrease it out right here. So you can see that there's different type of duotones right here, just like this. And you can even go around onto the color and select out the color that you want to apply. So let's say I want to apply green right here. You can go around and then you can apply another color over here as red, just like this. And you can see that it gets applied. You can also go around and add in more like a gradient as you can see right here in duotone, just like this. You can go around and change around the color right here, and that is applied right there. And you can also go around and increase and decrease the opacity of the gradient as you can see, and change around the style to radial or angle according to how you like, as you can see right over here as well, like directional and so forth. And you can change around the angle as well, just like that. So let me just go around onto the normal and then select out a duotone effect according to how I like it. And then what you can also do is you can go around on to select a shape right here. So now you can see that there's different type of shapes right here, just like this. And then this is what you have. So you can go around over here and select this as you can see right here and place it in different places. So you can go around over here and increase this in size, and you can see that this is what you have right here. So now once you do this, you can go around and press the check mark button right here, and this is what you have. And you can go around over here and then click on next right here, and then this is the result as you can see. And that is how you can use the guided duotone effect inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.